So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday the 21st of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might likely go. So we came down into this area, found support in around 12.15. We've had a move up towards that 12.77, brief pullback beneath the 12.52 level. Found support, put in somewhat, I suppose I just wouldn't say it's a true head and shoulders. And we've had this move up towards the 200 period moving average, had a brief pullback consolidation break of the 200 period moving average marked out here in blue. Then we've seen this move up towards 113.40. Now, we were expecting a move up towards 113.56, and we're still expecting it, even though we seem to have posted a bearish pin bar. We've had further continuation, but we've come down towards this 20 period moving average, which is our quicker moving average here. So we could potentially find support for our true test of a 13.56. So our upside target is at around that 13.56. From there, we'll possibly see some sell side momentum taking us all the way back down towards our 13.04. Now, if we do see this continuation to the downside that we are seeing at the moment, if we don't hold the 20 period moving average, we're looking for prices to head towards our 13.04 break, from which we do have to be aware of the confluence of the 13.04. Pretty close by is also the 200 period moving average, which may act as dynamic level of support for potential upside momentum. So a move possibly all the way up to 13.56. A successful break of the 13.04 coupled with the 200 period moving average, we'll be looking for price to head towards at 12.77, which again has acted as resistance and will likely possibly turn to support, and for more buy side momentum to re-enter the market for tests of 13.04 and 13.56. Now, if we do break below 12.77, we'll be looking to see prices head towards the 12.52 level, which has proven itself to be a major level as well. In around 12.52, we do have to be aware of the 400 period moving average as well, pretty close by to that 12.77. Again, could potentially act as a confluence for more upside momentum and heading towards those levels previously mentioned. If we do see that break of that below the 400 period moving average and a break of that 12.52, looking for price head towards that 12.15, which was the last major level that we did see significant buy side momentum come into the market. Yes, before we had this strong move to the upside. So looking for that 12.15. Now, if we did break above this 13.56, the next major level that we would be looking at is all the way up. Whoa, bear with me a second here. Just got a brief technical difficulty. There we go. So, see, looks like the buy side momentum is already coming into the market. So we would be looking for prices to head towards, if we do break above that 13.56, we're looking for price to head towards that 114.30. That's the major level, and I would expect that to be the far end of the range here on the 21st of December. And again, to the downside, far end of the range being around at 12.15. 114.30, very, very strong level. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you'll see why. On the daily chart, we've had a couple of reversals from that 114.30. So first, we have to successfully navigate 13.56 before we can focus on 114.30. And with that said, that's the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.